Let me share an experience with you all. I went to a dinner party recently and something happened that at first seemed normal, so I didn't pay much attention to it. But later I realized I was getting increasingly annoyed, and that bothered me a bit. Have you ever been at a gathering where someone's behavior really annoyed you? Hello and welcome back to my channel, where we explore the best ways to grow, thrive, and become the better human beings. Today, I want to share this story with you, not just because it was eye opening, but because it holds a valuable lesson we can all learn from. In this video, I'll take you through that story and share 4 simple yet powerful steps that help me let go of judgment and invite more love and connection into my life. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will see judgment in a whole new light. And you might even feel ready to let go of it yourself. So it was a dinner party, and as soon as we arrived, I noticed a woman who seemed to be dominating the room. She was talking loudly, sharing stories about her achievements, and making sure all the attention was on her. Her behavior really annoyed me, and I couldn't stop thinking, why does she have to be so loud? Why can't she just calm down? To be honest, I let it get to me. I found myself speaking louder too, trying to make sure I was noticed. It was like we were in some unspoken competition for attention. By the time we sat down for dinner, I was relieved to be far away from her. After dinner, everyone stepped outside for drinks. But I stayed inside. I don't drink at all. So I decided to take a moment to myself. And then, of course, she walked over to me. She smiled and said, I noticed you are not drinking. I replied, no, I don't drink at all. Her face softened and she said, me neither. I've been sober for 7 years. I'm also really into fitness and yoga. It's been such an important part of my journey. In that moment, something shifted inside me. All my judgment melted away. I realized that her need to be seen and heard was the same as mine. Her loudness was a reflection of my own desire for attention. Everything I had judged in her was something I hadn't faced within myself. That conversation taught me a big lesson. Judgment blocks happiness. It creates tension, strains relationships, and leaves us feeling disconnected. I realized that my judgmental behavior wasn't just affecting others, it was hurting me too. Many of the struggles in my relationships came from this habit of judging others. What we judge in others is often what we don't want to face in ourselves. And what we focus on in others, we attract into our lives. This realization was a game changer. I started working on letting go of judgment, and it made such a big difference. I followed 4 simple steps that I want to share with you because they help me find more peace and connection. Notice your judgment. The first step is to notice when you are judging someone. Don't criticize yourself for it, just pay attention. Ask yourself, how does this make me feel? For me, judgment made me feel tense, disconnected, and even physically drained. Also, notice when judgment sneaks in, it can be subtle, like comparing yourself to someone or feeling annoyed at their behavior. Awareness is the key to change. Forgive the thought. Once you notice the judgment, forgive yourself for it. Say to yourself, it's okay that I had this thought. I'm choosing to let it go. Letting go of judgment opens up space for better and more positive feelings. Remind yourself that judgment is not who you are, it's just a habit. Forgiveness lets you break free from the cycle of negativity. See with fresh eyes. Try to look at people or situation as if you are seeing them for the first time or meeting them for the first time. We often bring past experiences and situations and assumptions into present, which creates more judgment. Before you meet someone or face a situation, tell yourself, I want to see this person or situation or movement for the first time. Connect to oneness. Remind yourself that we are all connected. I like to use a simple meditation. Sit comfortably. Place one hand over your heart. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Say to yourself, we are all one. I am connected to love and to others. This practice isn't just about others, it's about reconnecting to the love within yourself, which allows you to feel more peace and compassion. Letting go of judgment changed my life. It helped me strengthen my relationships, find more peace, happiness, and even attract better opportunities. I realized that judgment is like a wall we build around ourselves. It keeps love and connection out. Now, whenever I catch myself judging someone, I remind myself what I see in them is a reflection of me. When I focus on love and understanding instead of judgment, everything flows better. Judgment invites unhappiness and blocks meaningful relationships. It did for me. But releasing judgment opens up space for joy, love, and deeper connection to others. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. Try these steps and see the changes for yourself. Trust me, it's a game changer. Thanks for listening to my story. Let me know in the comments what's one area of your life where you are ready to let go of judgment. And if this video gave you a new perspective, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep spreading that love and positivity.